Halloween. I didn't really like that. So I redecorated it, and I want to show you guys. So I have the couch, of course, this wine thing, and then a table with a plant and 2 wine glasses. Here I have the kids' art room. It's not really changed. I changed the wallpaper and added some more stuff. Of course, y'all, we know that we gotta have that time out chair.
Because Riley's really bad.
Yeah, Riley's the middle child. And then, so every kid has a crumpet. And so this is the crumpet, the little crumpet dollhouse, so they can play with their crumpets. There's the living room. It's basically the same. I always do my living room with the gray couch. Here is the kitchen, and I have a refrigerator. Here's where some more food is, and some plates, silverware, stuff like that. Here I have the master bedroom and bathroom. Here's the bathroom, the parent bathroom. And then here is the bedroom. And there's no clothes in it because I just finished it today. And the dad's wearing a very ugly outfit. I do not know where he got that outfit. But moving on.
Yeah, we don't have bad clothes in this house.
So, yeah. So now let's go on to the upstairs. Now that we are in the upstairs area, so I'm going to show you the pool area. So this is designed by Avery, and I absolutely love it. It is very cute, and it might be like my favorite room in the house. It's so good. And then here is Riley and Stella's room. Well, they're not Riley and Stella, Riley and Emma. Here's the closet. So right here is Emma's bed, and right here is Riley's bed, and then they both have matching pajamas. Here's where their comfort would stay, and then they have a desk. Over here is Stella's room. So Stella has her crib, a changing table, and her closet. And here's like her changing caddy. Right here is their bathroom. So it's like a girly pink bathroom. And right here is where their chill area is. So they have lots of stuff. They have bean bags, toys, video game remotes, video games, and all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys their crumpets. So here we go. So this is Riley's. Here is Emma's. And then here is Stella's. And that is it for today. And just so you know, we've changed the channel to XX Toca Sisters because it's me and my account, my sister. We run this account, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.